Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope to find the perfect one for buying YouTube Premium cheaper. And we've got just 3 minutes to make it easy. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right when it comes to buying YouTube Premium at a better price? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your payment info stays safe from prying eyes. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, preventing your real location from being exposed while browsing for deals. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't keep records of your activity or which servers you connect through. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for snagging the best YouTube Premium prices. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best choice for buying YouTube Premium cheaper because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could lead to phishing scams or fake subscription offers, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you create secure connections with your devices or friends to share deals safely. The one small negative? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can connect from your phone, laptop, or tablet all at once while searching for the best YouTube Premium price. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any savvy shopper can verify that the VPN is trustworthy and leak-free. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They control all their equipment, which means a more stable and reliable connection for you while you shop around. And for anyone concerned about speed when hopping between regions to find cheaper YouTube Premium subscriptions, it provides a SOC 5 proxy for the lowest latency possible. This can speed up your browsing. Just keep in mind you're trading off a layer of encryption for that boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for buying YouTube Premium cheaper? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means smoother, faster page loads while you compare prices across different countries. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering steady response times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be fast, but our tests found its speed can vary, with occasional slowdowns depending on the server location. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if you want lightning-fast connections and the best all-around features to find the cheapest YouTube Premium deals without delay or hassle. Go with IPVanish if you have lots of devices or share accounts with family or friends hunting for discounts. Its unlimited connections and fully controlled servers give great value. And finally, pick PIA if you're budget conscious or really care about proven privacy while searching for the best prices. Its open source apps and verified no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're using to buy YouTube Premium cheaper. See you soon.